My name is Dane, and I'm a visual designer at Google. The life of a UX designer at Google is pretty interesting and really fun. So when you're working on a product, you'll either be drafting up a new solution or a new feature of that product, or you'll be building upon something that already exists and finding a way to improve it. You'll start by identifying the problems. What are the issues going on within this product, and why are we even looking to improve or introduce this feature? And once you start to find those problems, you'll start to realize what the solution is and why it needs to be done a certain way. You chat with other people on your team to see what solutions could be feasible, and you get to work. You're going to be interacting with everybody on your team. There are other visual designers that you can chat with. There are researchers that can tell you what has been decided in the past and what hasn't been explored yet. There's also interaction designers who can tell you, oh, well, this page should move in this way, or this should happen as soon as you tap this button. This is an opportunity to get the feedback that you really need to be able to push your project to success. Once you go into a UX critique session, you'll present that to the team, and that's when you'll start to get really high-level feedback as to how the interaction should change or how it can be improved for the success of the product. When you're a full-time UX designer, you're going to expect a lot of critiques, a lot of UX critiques that help contribute to the success of the product. And what's really important is to remember that it never has anything to do with you as the designer. It just has to do with the solution and how we can collectively make sure it's the best that it could possibly be. And as soon as you come to a solution, that's when you go in and you chat with the higher-ups and the leads to see if this is a solution that's ready to be implemented. And once you get the pass for it to be implemented, you then start passing it on to engineers who will be able to build out your solution, and then you get to see it come to life. As a visual designer, being able to create something that's going to impact other people every single day. And because I'm focusing on the front-facing visuals, it's our job to determine how this is going to look and how it's going to work for people. And I think having that impact and having that role is pretty important and pretty meaningful as a UX designer.